In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Reddit username. After creating your Reddit account, you want to choose a username that best suits your identity or brand, but I don't know how. In this episode, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to change your Reddit username. A caveat to call out: in order to change your Reddit username, you need to have created a Reddit account with Gmail or Apple ID and have created the account within 30 days. Once you meet all these criteria, on the Reddit homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. Then you need to scroll down and select my profile. You will land on an interface like this that you'll be prompted. Before continuing, confirm that you want to keep this as your Reddit username. So the default username is these initials. Since we want to change our current username, we have to proceed to click on change username, then proceed to click on this box. So we can delete this and enter the username that we so desire. In this case, I want to select Tech for Good. So you can see, sorry, this username is taken. Try another. So we can add additional words or any alphabet that will make it stand out. In this case, I want to add official. Fortunately, this is available. So Tech for Good official is available. But note that once you confirm this, you can't change it again on Reddit. So if you have anything to do, you have to do it on this page. And once we are certain, we can proceed to click on this next. Then you have to navigate and click on save username. So this will permanently save your username. As you can see, congratulations, nice name, Tech for Good official, may it serve you well. So that is Reddit congratulating us on getting a nice name for our current account. So you can proceed to click on OK. In order to see your current username, you can navigate to the top right corner and click on the profile icon again. Then you can see your current username is Tech for Good official. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.